From glowing gas clouds shaped like butterflies to mysterious eyes staring back at us from deep space, planetary nebulae are among the most stunning cosmic wonders ever captured by telescopes. These breathtaking objects mark the final stages of a star's life, and each one is uniquely beautiful. In today's video, we'll explore 10 of the most beautiful planetary nebulae ever discovered. Captured in mesmerizing detail by space telescopes like Hubble, let's dive into the cosmic art gallery of our universe. 1. The Butterfly Nebula NGC 6302. With its glowing wings stretching across light years, the Butterfly Nebula looks like a celestial insect in flight. Located about 3,800 light-years from Earth in the constellation Scorpius, this nebula is formed by the violent death of a star similar to our Sun. Its twin lobes are filled with gas, blasting out at over 600,000 miles per hour. 2. The Jewel Bug Nebula NGC 7027. Shining like a cosmic gemstone, the Jewel Bug Nebula lives up to its name. It's one of the youngest and brightest planetary nebulae in our galaxy. Located about 3,000 light-years away, it showcases vivid colors due to the interactions of energetic ultraviolet radiation with various gases. 3. McN18. The Hourglass Nebula, like an hourglass frozen in time. MYCN18 displays astonishing symmetry, found about 8,000 light-years from Earth. This nebula's structure likely formed from a dying star, ejecting material through two opposite poles. The result is one of the most iconic and photogenic nebula ever recorded. 4. The Helix Nebula NGC 7293, often nicknamed the Eye of God. The Helix Nebula is a hauntingly beautiful sight, located just 700 light-years away in the constellation Aquarius. It's one of the closest planetary nebulae to Earth. Its eye-like appearance is formed by a glowing shell of gas, ejected by a dying red giant star. 5. The Eskimo Nebula NGC 2392. Resembling a cosmic face surrounded by a fur-lined parka, the Eskimo Nebula is both eerie and enchanting. Located in the constellation Gemini, this nebula reveals complex structures formed by fast winds blowing off the central star. It looks calm, but it's a chaotic zone of stellar evolution. 6. The Stingray Nebula N 3 to 1357. The Stingray Nebula is the youngest planetary nebula ever discovered. Just a few decades ago, this region showed no nebula at all. Then suddenly, it lit up. This fascinating object in the constellation era has changed rapidly over time, giving astronomers a rare front-row seat to a nebula being born. 7. The Crab Nebula M1. Although technically a supernova remnant, the Crab Nebula shares characteristics with planetary nebulae and deserves a spot on this list for its stunning beauty. It's the leftover debris of a star that exploded in 1054, still glowing with the power of a pulsar at its heart. 8. The Bubble Nebula NGC 7635. Shaped like a transparent soap bubble in space, the Bubble Nebula was formed by the fierce stellar winds of a massive star. This stunning nebula sits about 7,100 light-years away in the constellation Cassiopeia, and its perfect spherical shape is nothing short of cosmic perfection. 9. The Crescent Nebula NGC 6888. The Crescent Nebula is a shell of gas formed by a massive star shedding its outer layers before its final collapse. Located in the constellation Cygnus, the overlapping arcs of glowing hydrogen and oxygen create a dramatic, turbulent look, as if space itself is rippling. 10. The Dumbbell Nebula M27. Discovered in 1764. The Dumbbell Nebula was the first planetary nebula ever recorded. It's located about 1,360 light-years from Earth and looks like a glowing hourglass or dumbbell shape. The glowing gas comes from a star that exhausted its fuel, creating this timeless beauty in the constellation Vulpecula. Each of these planetary nebulae tells a powerful story of stellar death and rebirth, an artist's brushstroke on the canvas of the cosmos. Which nebula fascinated you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey through the universe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awe-inspiring space videos. Until next time, keep looking up because the universe is full of wonder.